What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can hide someone in Slack. What you're gonna do is just go to your Slack, then you'll be having this home screen over here. So just go to someone, or let's say go to the person that you want to hide. So let me hide him. So over here to his profile, just right click and you'll be having a lot of options. So as you want to hide the person, just select this option which says hide and the person's name. Just press it and it will ask you to confirm it, and just press hide this person. So that's pretty much guys, this is how you hide someone in Slack. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.